This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz CL550. This coupe has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 5.5-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, dynamic multi-contour front seats with a massage feature, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, an air suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and night view assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, leather seats, rear curtain airbags, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.